Hello everyone, welcome back to Day Aviation again. Today we're gonna fly with Nok Air, which is budget airline in Thailand under Thai Airways International. Today we are going to fly from Bangkok Donmueng International Airport, which is the budget airlines based airport in Thailand as well. Here we're gonna fly from domestic terminal, which is Terminal 2. It's all new today and it's all clean and bright. I'm gonna fly today with Nok Air from here to Udonthani, which is one of the northeastern airport in Thailand. I'm gonna fly with Boeing 737-800. The registration is HS-DBT. Her name is Nok Nampet. So the flight it would take approximately about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take this flight to Udonthani and then take the trip to Laos. So if you wanna continue and follow my live, my vlog, you can go on the information up there on the right corner. And let's see the flight how it's gonna be. So when we arrive at gate 42, we are ready to boarding. This boarding is very fast because everybody gets ready to boarding because we are excited to go to Udonthani, or maybe many of them is going to Laos like me as well, because this destination a lot of people going there because it's easy to connect to Laos. Even Udonthani is not a neighbor or closer to the border for Thailand and Laos, but the bus, the car, the van is available for you to connect to there, or you can go to Nong Khai or Khon Kaen as well. But for me, it's better for me to go to Udonthani because there are a lot of flights to go to the airport, and then it's the reason why all the flight to go there is cheap, and that is my first reason. So today is the Boeing 737-800 aircraft. The crew is very impressed me because it's my first time to fly with Nok Air, and the seat is quite comfortable compared to other budget airlines, because Nok Air is much better than some airlines because they say they are premium, the low cost airline in Thailand. So the seat pitch you can see is if you compare with the premium airline like Thai Airways, it's kind of comparable because this budget airline. But for me, it's for 50 minutes is okay because you just sit down there watching some movie and then you're landing. So here is the flight safety card. It's in the new pocket anyway, so just have a look. And Nok Air have some food for you to select as well, and some foods very, very good. I have tried some, but I didn't take videos. You can see on the pocket below, like there's a lot of not only the food like Thai food, but also some snack for you to buy, some souvenirs, t-shirt, and the backpack, and that is awesome for you to collect if you like to fly, right? Please just caution when using your belongings overhead bin. Ladies and gentlemen, please
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
Now we arrive at Udonthani International Airport, the best way airport to connect to Laos. Thank you so much for you to watching these videos. Hopefully you guys would like this. So if you have any question or anything for me to tell you regarding about to connect to Laos, you can ask me by leave your comment below, so I would answer you right away. Or you can see my videos next in my another channel which is called Day Travel Pro, which is a lot more videos about the traveling for my vlogs. So hope you see you again soon. But before you go, please subscribe my channel, like and share, and see you again soon. Bye bye.